Welcome to day 24 of Zen 31, 4-7-8 breathing. 4-7-8 breathing is a very relaxing breath, and it is one of my favorites. I use this anytime I have trouble falling asleep or if I wake up in the middle of the night and I can't fall back asleep. This helps me every single time. And basically what it involves is an inhale for a count of 4, holding the breath for a count of 7, and exhaling for a count of 8. But there are a few techniques that we do to really make this an effective breathing technique. So go ahead and lengthen up through your spine. Eyes should be closed, jaw is relaxed. Touch the tip of your tongue to where the roof of your mouth and your top teeth meet. Just take a moment to check in. So when we inhale, it'll be through the nose for a count of 4. We're going to hold the breath for a count of 7. The exhale is for a count of 8, but there's a certain way we're going to exhale. We're going to exhale slowly and completely, but we're going to make a whooshing sound as we exhale, and we kind of puff up the cheeks and purse your lips. So it looks like this. Or I should say looks and sounds like that. We'll do that one more time. Okay, so once again, sit up tall, close your eyes. You can keep your eyes open if you want to watch me, no problem. We're going to inhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7. And then exhale for 8. One more time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 7, 6, 5. Exhale. All right, come to a natural breath. So as you notice, I kind of whistled a little bit there on the exhale. So it will take a little practice to kind of get used to the positioning of your lips. But I promise you, this is one breath that you are going to keep in your breathing toolbox for future use. It is so effective. And also know that if you need to slow it down or speed up the count, you can slow down or speed it up as you need to. We are all different and we all breathe differently. So I hope you found this helpful, and I really encourage you to use it anytime you need to relax, and especially if you have time or if you have a hard time falling asleep or falling back to sleep. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow for day 25.